Hello and welcome back to Chic Spaces. Today we are here at My Home Tridasa in Tellapur, a premium gated community bringing to you a stunning 3 BHK interior project. This project was completed in about 75 to 80 working days for its execution. The homeowner is an NRI and we managed for the entire process with calls and messages for a seamless experience. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. The drawing room is designed for both comfort and elegance. A perfect TV unit with laminate and louvers finish is the focal point, accompanied by a louver and block glass partition. The sofa back accent wall, adorned with elegant wall lights, and a charming curved swing complete the look. In the dining room, a curved false ceiling tray design sets the tone, complemented by a crockery unit with profile glass shutters. The back wall features stylish wallpaper and rose gold finish handles, adding a touch of luxury. The vanity area is all about elegance and functionality, with full body tiles, beautiful side pendant lights, a black bowl sink with a gold faucet, and a louvered bottom drawers for ample storage. The kitchen combines style and practicality with subway green glossy tiles, a beige matte finish, laminate, and a durable granite kitchen countertop, creating a space that's both beautiful and functional. In the master bedroom, we have created a serene and cozy retreat with a long cushion headboard in a soothing peach color theme. This soft palette ensures a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. The Pooja room boasts an extended Pooja partition with beautiful veneer doors featuring fluted glass. For easy maintenance, we chose a tile backsplash that combines practicality with style. Bedroom 2 features a sophisticated mix of fluted laminates and matte finish laminates, accented by elegant gold handles. In bedroom 3, we opted for long wardrobe handles with an antique and gold finish, paired with customized side tables. The matching headboard cushion complements the curved window seating, and textured grey laminates add depth and character to the space. My favorite part of this house is definitely the partition and the curved swing, a perfect spot for relaxing and having a candid conversations. The partition has blocked glass and louver, which is a different unique materials. I hope you watched the video and enjoyed as much as we did getting it delivered. Thank you, and do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.